Pink, what about us? Mooney boo boo chain mining chat. What's up, fam? It is Life with CaityB here, and as y'all can see, I'm playing with Uncle B and Auntie B.
The moino.
The moino. As y'all can see, guys, we're gonna be playing Name That Song. So mom in the background is gonna be playing some songs and for 5 seconds, and we have to try and guess the song before, guess the song and the artist before the 5 seconds is up. And we have our little buzzers here. My uncle's got a mullet and he's got the little chopping board.
Mallet.
I got my little mentos and a tub. And we got my auntie with the hoe.
Blaster.
Oh, nah, never mind. You were thinking of through.
Shit.
So we gonna die tonight. So whoever wins gets to pick any of this makeup and gets to put it on at least one of the losers. Which would, yeah, whatever you want, guys. So we got some lipsticks or whatever you want. Just put some mark. But yeah, guys. Let's get into it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click on the bell below, and share with your friends. Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Yes, we do know this song. I get to pick one person, and we all know who it's gonna be.
Are you feeding me or?
Boy!
I thought I was one game.
I should have took the brighter one, damn it. I've been waiting for this moment, guys. Oh my god. CaityB.
Song?
No.
How can you do
I like it like that.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
How can you do that? I hit it at the same time and her beat drowned out my...
That's not fair. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I did it too at the same time. What do you guys think? It's not fair.
Makeup.
Oh, I knew you wanted to do Uncle Tina.
It just asked you to be done.
You can put it anywhere you want. Up to you.
Anywhere you want. And
Good taste today. You should put on my initials.
Yeah.
see my money bag, guys.
Okay.
I'm loving this new look.
Rihanna. Rihanna.
Song.
Do you get a 5-second like thing if you didn't get?
I forgot.
What thoughts? So do we get to both right on this?
No. Whoever buzzes first makes it easier. The next one. Well, she got this. She got the artist. Doesn't matter.
Come here. Come here. Why are you sweating? You got what?
We got a little Amazon. Khaled.
Wrong already, it's DJ.
Do me a favor, please.
Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb.
It's Kali.
Young, dumb and broke. But since you know everything, Uncle Tina, let me show you something.
Too much listen to your folk music.
Oh man, you know you're playing all my songs. My songs.
Hold on.
John Legend. All of me.
All of you.
All of you. You know, I'm gonna go with quite a color that matches your skin tone. Contour highlight, guys. songs. God's Plan by Drake. You guys might as well just let me win.
I might just put the same one down.
You should have a break. Yeah. Guitar, of course. Thousand Years by Christina Perry, boy.
I didn't even know who that person is. How old is she?
Freaking
6?
Dawn.
You're playing all this song.
I think this is rigged just to do this.
Remember the last game?
It's just best that I can get a jump on a video game.
I think this was back in Mum's days. Better Now by what's his name? Post Malone. Musty.
It's a different beginning, no?
Yes.
So like
not
a-
familiar.
Play the original
Your
track,
uncle.
please. You know.
Finish one.
Not today. Gotta get that lip liner in, guys.
Play the trick with a DJ remix and everything.
It's like I'm a Dracula. See a drip.
Charlie Puth. Puth.
Poof the moino. You can't play it on because you can't get the song.
Attention.
Attention.
It's you.
Ed Sheeran.
Yeah, you got the artist.
The song is These Nerds. Oh, Smite it.
But you can for the first time.
Yeah, ma.
But I have to go.
Oh gosh. Wait, just put it in my eye, why don't you?
Gave us some nice eyeliner called
Called MAC.
L'Oreal Paris.
L'Oreal. Ooh, sorry. Girls Like You by Cardi B and Dish.
And who?
Nuts.
Dish Nuts.
Not even.
Yes, girl.
It's CaityB and Maroon 5.
Maroon 5.
That's
Yes,
the beginning of that song. I thought it was Cardi B and Punya Lava.
I answered Maroon 5,
No, Mum.
and
Who
I
answered
answered Maroon 5.
it? What are you doing with the pen?
I answered it.
She answered it first.
What?
And the second artist,
Today, ma.
Come round here. Gotta outline that beard. Give it that defined look. You know what I mean, guys? Oh, yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's the style these days,
I
guys.
didn't see it there.
Who can say where the road goes?
Oh, where's my... You guys took it out. Mom! No, they took my M&M out.
Vanilla Ice. Ice Baby.
When did you stick it out? Wow! They took my Mentos out. No. Okay.
Put it back in. Technically cheating, you know, just little ideas.
She follows
Oh.
me.
We're gonna get to Miss May Believe again.
That's not fair.
Oh, L'Oreal. How more your one eyebrow.
Wow. I look like Moulin Rouge.
Whitney Houston.
Oh, man.
Man, you're good.
You are so good. You're gonna go. Here you go.
Yo, we're the best.
Harimon. Harimon.
You're the best, man.
It smells pretty good though, I'm just gonna say that. I'm gonna bring this up.
Ja Rule, J-Lo.
Ja Rule.
And
Oh no, you.
Ashanti.
Ja Rule and J-Lo.
Now you're Ashanti.
You're the best,
What a
man.
disgrace.
Finish off your eye.
You are a disgrace. Oh, what?
Oh, man. You're the best.
I thought we were brothers, man.
No, brother, see how
Yeah.
that.
Never love me, let's go. I don't know the name of.
Gwen Stefani and Evie.
What's the name of the song?
That's not fair, man. I don't know that. Hold up. Breakfast Club, don't you forget about me.
No,
Billy Idol.
she didn't do the makeup.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Forget about her. Hey, Savage. Oh, yeah. Put on the eyelash. Dance with my father,
Vandross.
Luther Vandross.
No,
Shame.
I can hear it.
Gotta go evidence of this girl.
man.
Okay.
Your auntie did it 3 times on you. Now you're going to come back to me?
Because he hadn't had enough chance. We're gonna do
Darker ones.
some drag queen
Mascara.
eyelashes. I mean,
Eyebrows. Not eyelash.
eyebrow drag queen. And they're going for that simple look. You got to skip it.
Fat Joe.
And what's love?
What's got love got to do with it? Love got to do with it.
Can say whether
What love
Got to do.
got to do?
Got.
I was just like, only he knows pop songs, guys.
Sam.
Sam Chakun for Ulo.
Ufurio Wuku. Wait, it's my turn. Sam Chakun. Come on, Furulo. Is there any more room? Mario.
Who would we?
The blow valve down.
When you fell. You're just getting me because I'm close, eh?
I don't want to reach it.
How will I know Whitney Houston? How will I know?
Whitney Houston, but it's I Want to Dance Something.
Oh, I want to dance. How will I? Oh, you're not the
At least you got Whitney Houston.
I want to go with something simple today, guys. I want to go for that eyebrow defined look. Oh!
Now move it.
The reverse psychology. Oh, there's a black
Give
one.
him next time. Just go with his reverse psychology. Find it, Jordan.
Puff Daddy.
What version? No, it's that sounded like the white guy version.
Police, you mean? I'll cover both bases up. Yeah. Where's that black one you had? Miss CaityB.
No!
Foam on your mustache to your chinny.
Oh, that's so
That makes me so happy.
Nelly Kelly Rowland.
Is that what the beginning sounds like?
What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I just need to go toilet and
Ikai. Tell me.
fair.
Eminem 8 Mile.
Lose yourself.
It's Mario.
Since you're on a Caribbean.
Yeah, oh yeah! Face it.
Too much, eh?
No.
I don't want to have to uppercut you later.
In your dream.
Change digital.
The greatest superstars in history. Wait a minute.
Master. I should have been on this clip by the move and King Cabbage.
King Cabbage.
Wow. Used to.
But she corrected you. Oh. Do you have to hit it that hard? Our table go break, bro.
Is that the RSA version? Okay, then it must be the
These nuts.
Shiny.
Celine Dion.
Oski band. Oski.
Oh, the sound. No, I thought we played the original.
Why you gonna run anyway?
Punya lava. Purple one.
And the name
Yeah.
Beautiful.
500 miles by that weird group. I don't know.
Just
Proclaimers.
No, we
The
gotta
other
get.
side has to be touched, eh? Look at them.
No, that's it. We gotta get that hairline.
That's wet. It
go.
might not work.
It's gonna work today.
Today! Not today! Yo.
Give the hairline.
Why draw hair when there's already hair there? Oh, shit. The best is yet to come.
no. Steps.
Wow, that's an oldie.
Ever when it
Oi.
takes
Oh.
Oh, no, I would never guess that.
Michael Jackson.
What?
Throw?
Not as remember the
Do
time.
you remember? Oh,
Who knows that? That's not even the song. This is the video clip entrance. Shows how much video clips you watch. Man, Mom.
Don't hate me.
that's not fair.
Never love me.
Let's go.
Oi. Didn't spell your last name properly.
cooler. Two more songs, eh?
No.
Just beginning before.
Oh, sorry
Stop
guys.
swearing,
I'm not
eh,
that
you
bad.
More than words. Extreme.
No, my meaning.
Pina. Huh? Huh?
You got it in your eye.
Still Drake.
It's not still.
That's not fair, man.
Dr. J, forget about you.
That's
Forget
not
about-
fair, dog.
Forget about Drake.
So guys, as y'all can see, this is the end result. I look the best, and what do you
I
guys
have
think?
the less.
Who do you guys think is the winner and the loser of this run? And comment down below what best we should do, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video that my mom suggested. Thank you guys for your support, and we'll be back with another video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell below, ding 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 ding. And thank you to all my new subscribers, all my supporters, all my likers, dislikers, and commenters, guys. I love you guys all, and
Okay, kakite popo.
Kakite ano, guys.